Good morning one and all. Today I am going to teach a problem on DFT. Problem: find the discrete Fourier transform of the sequence x of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. First we have to write the formula, that is formula for discrete Fourier transform is x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi nk divided by n, where k is equal to 0 to n minus 1. Here capital N is equal to 4, that is the length of the sequence is 4. The number of elements in the sequence is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 elements, so n is equal to 4. So substitute the value of n in the above equation. We get x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to 3 x of n e power minus j 2 pi nk divided by 4, where k is equal to 0 to 3. Next we have to substitute the summation values, that is x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to 3. So x of 0 to 3 up to 3 we have to substitute. So x of 0 into e power 0. In the nth place when you put 0, e power 0 value is 1 e power 0 plus x of 1 into e power minus, in the nth place you have to substitute 1, so e power minus j 2 pi k divided by 4. So you will, this 2 and 4 will get cancelled and you will get e power minus j 2 pi k divided by 2 plus x of 2 into e power minus j 2 pi into 2 k divided by 4. So this 4 and 4 will get cancelled, so you will get e power minus j pi k divided by 2 plus x of 3 into e power, in the nth place you have to substitute 3, so e power minus j 2 pi 3k divided by 4. So this 2 and 4 will get cancelled, so you will get e power minus j k 3 pi divided by 2. So you can write it as x of k is equal to x of 0 plus x of 1 into e power minus j pi k divided by 2 plus x of 2 into e power minus j k pi plus x of 3 into e power minus 3j k pi divided by 2. In next step, you can substitute the values of x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. We know that x of 0 value is 1, x of 1 value is 2, x of 2 value is 3, x of 3 value is 4. And for e power term, we know the formula that e power minus j theta is equal to cos theta minus j sin theta. This can be, for the first term, this can be written as e power minus j pi k by 2 can be written as cos k pi by 2 minus j sin k pi by 2. So in this format every exponential term can be written. So we can write x of k is equal to 1 plus 2 into, that is x of 0 is 1, x of 1 is 2. 2 into cos pi k divided by 2 minus j sin pi k divided by 2 plus x of 2 is 3, so 3, that is e power j minus j k pi can be written as cos pi k minus j sin pi k. So 3 into cos pi k minus j sin pi k plus x of 3. x of 3 is 4 and e power minus j 3 k pi by 2 can be written as cos 3 pi k divided by 2 minus j sin 3 pi k divided by 2. And then you can take the imaginary values separately and the real values separate. Now we have the value x of k is equal to 1 plus 2 cos pi k divided by 2 plus 3 cos pi k plus 4 cos 3 pi k divided by 2, and imaginary term we can take this real term separately and imaginary term separately. So I have separated the real term and imaginary term separately like this way. Minus j into 2 sin pi k divided by 2 plus 3 sin pi k plus 4 sin 3 pi k divided by 2, where k is equal to 0 to 3. Now we have to substitute the values for k. So first, when k is equal to 0, x of 0 is equal to 1 plus in kth place you substitute 0. So 1 plus 2 cos 0 plus 3 cos 0 plus 4 cos 0 minus j 2 sin 0 plus 3 sin 0 plus 4 sin 0. So cos 0 value is 1. So you will get this term. But sin 0 value is 0. So the imaginary term will be neglected. Neglected means that value is 0. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Next, when k is equal to 1, substitute the value for k is equal to 1, we will get x of 1 is equal to, in this place you substitute 1. So 1 plus 2 cos pi by 2 plus 3 cos pi plus 4 cos 3 pi by 2 minus j into 2 sin pi by 2 plus 3 sin pi plus 4 sin 3 pi by 2. Next step, we have to compute the values cos pi by 2, cos pi, cos 3 pi by 2, sin pi by 2, sin pi, sin 3 pi by 2. Cos 90, that is cos pi by 2 value is 0, so we have to put here 0. Cos pi value is minus 1, so we have put here minus 1. Cos 3 pi by 2 value is 0, we have put 0. Sin pi by 2 value is 1, so we have put here 1. Sin pi value is 0, so we put here 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 is 4, so sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, so we have put here minus 1. So we will get 1 minus 3 into, we will get 1 plus 0 plus minus 3 plus 0, and in the imaginary part we have 2 plus 0 minus 4. So we will get the answer minus 2 minus 2j.
Start.
Next, when we have to substitute for 2. When k is equal to 2, you substitute in that formula. So you will get, in the kth place you substitute 2. So you will get 1 plus 2 cos 2 pi divided by 2 plus 3 cos 2 pi plus 4 cos 3 pi 2 divided by 2, so that this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Here also this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. After that, in the imaginary part, minus j into 2 sin 2 pi divided by 2 plus 3 sin 2 pi plus 4 sin 3 pi 2 divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So we have to compute these values again, cos pi, cos 2 pi. You substitute these values, so you will get 1 plus cos pi value is minus 1, cos 2 pi value is 1, cos 3 pi value is 1, again cos pi value is minus 1. So again cos pi value, sin pi value is 0, sin 2 pi value is 0, sin 3 pi value is 0. So if you add these real terms, imaginary term is 0. So if you add these real terms, you will get 2. So x of 2 is equal to 2. Last, x of 3. When k equal to 3, you substitute the value of k as 3 in that equation. So you will get 1 plus 2 cos 3 pi by 2 plus 3 cos 3 pi plus 4 cos 9 pi by 2 minus j into 2 sin 3 pi by 2 plus 3 sin 3 pi plus 4 sin 9 pi by 2. And you compute, similarly you compute these values for the cos 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi, cos 9 pi by 2. These values can be computed in the calculator by putting the calculator in the radian mode, and you can directly type the value 3 pi, cos 3 pi, otherwise cos pi, otherwise sin pi, and you can get these values. And you can write, the values are written in the formula. So 1 plus cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, plus cos 3 pi is minus 1, so 3 into minus 1, cos 9 pi by 2 is 0, so 4 into 0, and here also sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, plus sin 3 pi is 0, plus sin 9 pi by 2 is 1. So you will get the answer as 1 minus 3 plus 0 minus j into minus 2 plus 4. So the answer is minus 2 minus 2j. So the discrete Fourier transform of x of n for the given answer for the given problem is 10 minus 2 plus 2j, 2, comma, minus 2, minus 2j. So the values are 5.